delegation that is now led by Shashi Tharoor, which has arrived in the US with the all-party delegation reaching Washington. And here is where, as far as when it comes to the importance that lies, when it comes to the involvement of India and Pakistan, both of these delegations being at the same time in the same city. Now, after concluding a successful visit to Brazil with an all-party Indian parliamentary delegation, which is led by Shashi Tharoor, that arrived in Washington, in the US capital, and they're going to be there for a 2-day visit as part of its outreach through Operation Sindoor post-Pahalgam attack to put forth India's strong and united stand against Pakistan-sponsored cross-border terrorism. And however miserable as it sounds as far as Pakistan's poor attempt to copy-paste here as well, Mohit is connected with us. Mohit, good morning. Well, exactly with what face Pakistan and its delegation are there in the United States? Because they are already there with a begging bowl out to the world, going out to at least one or two countries which actually came out in support of Pakistan. Else the world knows the true face of that rogue nation.
Well, Amita, we know for a fact that how Pakistan is copying India's move. India decided to send an all-party delegation to various countries to expose Pakistan on a global stage and to tell the world that how Pakistan is harboring terrorism, not just in India, but in other countries too, and how Operation Sindoor has hit out at Pakistani-based terror camps, and there were massive casualty of terrorists in that particular attack. Now, India decided that a delegation will be going to various countries, and now Pakistan has also copied India's move. But then you need to have something original for the copy, because the only thing that Pakistan has is fake propaganda, the narrative that they have been telling to the foreign media, to the world, that India has attacked Pakistan and how India has hit out at the civilian facilities in Pakistan. But India has always made clear that it was the terror camps in Pakistan that were attacked by the country. Now, we also know for a fact that how Pakistan is trying to build a narrative against India throughout the world, but Pakistan is not successful. The delegations of India that have gone to various countries, they have garnered massive support. We have seen that the countries have taken back the condolences that they gave to Pakistan after India hit out in Operation Sindoor against the terror camp in Pakistan. So that is the power of our country, that is the power of our delegation, that we have put India first. We have gone to the world and tell them that how exactly Pakistan is the den of terrorists and how they have been harboring terrorism in the country, while Pakistan again will be going with their propaganda.
And what better country than the United States of America, knowing very well as far as when it comes to the top terror organizations, and one of the top most dreaded terrorists, where exactly was he found and which country's territory?